Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll review the profile feature built into the Videobar Configuration and Videobar Administration applications. Profiles make it quick and easy to deploy multiple Bose Professional Videobar devices. So, what's a profile? It's a file that contains all the Bose Professional Videobar device settings except for the current camera position presets, microphone mute status, and device identity information. This file can be downloaded to your computer for archival purposes and upload it to other Bose Professional Videobar devices that require identical parameters. To begin, you'll need to access the Videobar Administration settings using either the Videobar Configuration or Videobar Administration application. I highly recommend completing their overview tutorials beforehand. In this tutorial, I will use Videobar Configuration to access the Administration settings and navigate to the Profile page located in the Configuration tab. The Profile page allows you to upload, download, and restore device profiles. The active profile, whether it's the factory default or a newly updated version, appears with an asterisk if any parameters have been changed, such as the volume level being adjusted. In this example, I'll show you how to use a profile to configure multiple Bose Professional Videobar VB1 devices. The process is the same for VBS. I'll start by changing the device name to VB1 Demo 1. I'll then enable the display link option, which is exclusive to the VB1, and disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi from the user access page. After I've configured the device parameters for the first Bose Professional Videobar VB1, I can save the changes as a new profile. To save configuration changes in a new profile, click the Save As button in the Download Active Profiles section. A profile description dialog box appears with a 256-character limit text box in which I can add a description of the profile. When I click Continue, it will open another pop-up window to save the profile to my local computer. Choose the file name and click Save. Once saved, you will notice the active profile has now changed to the newly stored version. Now, I can upload that profile to another Bose Professional Videobar VB1 device to save configuration time. To upload a saved profile to a VB1, in the Upload Profile section, drag and drop the desired profile into the gray box, or click Browse to locate and select the file you want to upload. Bose Professional provides two optimized profiles for Microsoft Teams and Zoom, plus a default profile to return to factory settings. Once a profile is chosen, click Apply for the settings to be saved to the Bose Professional Videobar VB1. Now you can see the applied settings have transferred, Display Link has been enabled, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi have been disabled. On the Identity page, you can see that the factory name of the Bose Professional Videobar VB1 is unchanged. Remember that the name is a unique parameter and is not saved in the profile. You can see how using a profile is a quick method to apply common configuration settings across multiple Bose Professional Videobar devices. When you're done, I recommend retaining a copy of the profile should you need to restore settings or program a new videobar. You can restore a profile to discard all changes by clicking the Restore button in the Active Profile section. A dialog box warns the applied profile will override the current settings and ask for confirmation. Choose whether you wish to proceed with restoring the profile by clicking either Cancel or Restore. If you have multiple VB devices connected to a network, you may want to use Videobar Administration to apply a profile to multiple devices simultaneously. You can learn more about Videobar Administration by watching the software-specific tutorials in our library. That's it, and thanks for watching.